Welcome to our CleanTent installation video. Lay out the ground sheet, ensuring that the gowning room and entrance are in your desired location and that you have left at least 500mm between the fan filter end of the tent and any walls. Check the ceiling to ensure there are no sharp objects such as sprinkler heads which may snag on the CleanTent. The top section of the CleanTent will need to be gently opened out. This may take a little time. For a basic CleanTent CT675 or CT750 installation, you will require a fan filter unit complete with G4 pre-filter and frame, a final filter, in this case a H14 HEPA, a controller and starter lead, a CleanTent ground sheet and top section. For a CT1700 installation, you will require an extra fan filter unit, filter set and frame. In order to connect the CleanTent to the fan filter unit, you will need two people. Gently rock the fan filter unit back to lift the front edge enough to slide the bottom skirt between it and the frame. Clip the fan filter unit to the frame and then Velcro the three remaining skirt sides to the fan filter unit. Plug in the controller, switch on and inflate. Inflating any CleanTent, care must be taken to balance the incoming and exhausting air. This is done via the entrance zips. For the first minute of inflation, ensure the outer zips are closed. Once the tent is 3/4 inflated, the entrance zips must be slowly opened to balance the air. The tent is balanced when you can gently recess the tent wall to around 100mm and the corners of the tent should just start to raise.